Hey guys, Steven the Salon Guy here, and today I have a really special video. I have two amazing guests next to me. This is Kelly and this is Merry. So Kelly is this up and coming YouTuber. I think you're amazing. I'm a huge fan. Huge fan. And Merry is a ridiculously talented makeup artist, and she's gorgeous. So today what we're doing is we're gonna do a fun, kind of simple hair tutorial of how to get like a formal type look, whether it's for prom or anything formal, really quick, very easy to do yourself. And then Merry is going to do Kelly's makeup with a really fun look. We're gonna break down each topic of what we're doing. You're gonna describe what you're doing for the makeup, and we're gonna breeze through it and we're gonna have some fun. So I'm ready to go, let's get started. All right guys, so we're ready to get started, and basically what I'm going to do is I'm just gonna spray a little bit of hairspray on Kelly's hair, just to kind of, sometimes hair is better a little bit on the not so clean side, and it's easier to work with. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually put this into 4 ponytails. And the best way you can do this is just section it off, especially if you're doing this yourself. Section it off, doesn't matter how high you do it. I would probably say like a little bit on the higher side, like right into here. The same thing on this side, and then 2 in the back. So I'm gonna do those and we'll be right back.
Hi, I'm Merry, and today we're going to be doing Kelly's makeup. She has a picture of the beautiful Kendall Jenner. We're just going to do a nice glowing bronzy look for her prom-inspired makeup. So to start, I used a primer on her face. Then we took some concealer, did a little bit of spot coverage. From there, we took a sheer coverage foundation, applied it all over with a damp sponge, did a little bit of cream contour with a stick. Then we went into her eyes, just did a nice, soft, smoky eye. From there, I did some concealer under her eye, a little bit of liquid highlight on the cheekbone, above the eyebrow, on the chin, Cupid's bow. Set with setting powder. And then we went in with powder contour, a little bit of blush, and some powder highlight in the same spots. Finished with mascara. She has amazing eyelashes. She did not need falsies. Lip liner, lipstick, and some lip gloss.
All right guys, so here is Kelly's finished look, and literally I just took the elastic bands out and it created its own very soft wave, and all you have to do is just go in with your fingers and just kind of mold it and shape it into place. A very fun soft look that you can do literally in minutes. So it's great for something kind of formal. It's great for, you know, if you're in a rush and you're like, I don't want to go to the salon and get my hair done, you can do something like this. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. All right, guys, I had a lot of fun. Did you have fun, Kelly? Awesome. High five. Thank you.
Thank you.
Great job on the makeup. So I'm gonna put the links to their social media stuff, Kelly's YouTube and Mary's Instagram in the description below. Give them a follow. And thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you next time for more videos with The Salon Guy.